Hi, Nye. I'm just going to take you through some of the definitions. So in this section, we're looking at angles in a polygon. So first we want to define some things. For instance, what is a shape that has many sides where all the sides are straight line segments? It might look like this. It'll never look like this. So hopefully you have determined that that answer is a polygon. All right, so now there are many different types of polygons, right? This is a polygon, this is a polygon, and this is a polygon. But what we now want to do is we want to take that polygon, I want to take a look at, okay, well, what happens if a polygon has all equal sides and all equal angles, like this one, okay? When it has equal sides and angles, then that is called a regular polygon. So whenever you see the word regular polygon in a question, then you know that all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Okay, so here we have one regular polygon and one polygon that is not regular. There are other names that we can use for polygons, okay? When you have polygons where all of the angles are less than 180 degrees, like this one, that is called a convex polygon. So this also has another name. It is a convex polygon. It's a regular convex polygon. And the reason that we say it's convex is because all of the angles are less than 180 degrees. And this polygon, this is not a regular polygon. It is also not a convex polygon. It is what we call a concave polygon. And what makes it concave is that is that an angle is more than 180 degrees. So this angle right here is more than 180 degrees. So we want to say an angle could be greater than 180 degrees. All right, so then another thing that's really important is the polygon names, because sometimes in a question they'll refer to a polygon by name and you need to know how many sides that has then. So in this case, okay, if it has 3 sides, well, hopefully you know that that's a triangle. And if it has 4 sides, then we're talking about a quadrilateral. And it right? And so there are different types of triangles. There are equilateral triangles, there's isosceles triangles, and there's scalene triangles. And then there's different types of quadrilaterals. There are squares and rectangles and trapezoids and kites and parallelograms and rhombuses and a whole variety. Anyway, then there are pentagons, that's 5 sides. Then there is a hexagon, that is 6 sides. Then there is a heptagon, and that is 7 sides. Then we have an octagon at 8 sides. We have a nonagon, or a nonagon, at 9 sides. And then we have a decagon at 10 sides. And we still have names for more than 10 sides, but often we'll talk about an on-gon, or like a 10-gon or a 12-gon, which just means n sides. Okay. So those are the names that you're probably going to be coming across in the rest of this unit. So then the other thing that we want to talk about is what I had you completing for homework the other day. So what is the rule or the theorem for calculating the sum of the interior angles in a polygon? Well, hopefully you notice that you take the number of sides. So it's going to be n minus 2 times 180. And that will give you the sum of all the sides, or all the interior angles, sorry, in a polygon, where n is the number of sides. And let's make these the interior angles. Now, the sum of the exterior angles is always the same, and hopefully in your head right now you're all saying 360 degrees. Anyway, so those are the definitions.